Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, we're taking off the mask. Sorry, let me call it.
Gentlemen of the press.
The PDP has just met, PDP governors have just met. May we know the outcome and reason for these meetings first?
PDP governors?
Sorry, sir.
We, the PDP governors of the North, we just finished our meeting, and we resolved one of our issues that the APC government has been intimidating our members, the PDP governors, and we want that intimidation to be stopped, because most of our members are intimidated persistently, and we're not comfortable. Secondly, we all resolved that the APC government has not provided the leadership needed in the North. And so we, the PDP governors in the North, are not satisfied with the leadership of the APC government in the North. And we are drawing the attention that even though the leadership is from the North is also being surcharged. And we want that observation to be noted. And we, the governors, also have resolved that on our own, we should continue to do the best for our people, as we are already doing in our various states.
Your Excellency, it appears that the PDP governors are taking
on their court. They were intimidated to leave. They were intimidated. I hope you understand that language. They didn't live on their accord, all of them. And we want that to be stopped.